How to find backup codes on Instagram. Backup codes are useful if you lose access to your phone and cannot receive a two-factor authentication code. These codes allow you to log into your account when other methods are unavailable. Each code can only be used once, but you can generate new ones if needed. First, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Then, tap the three lines at the top right corner. From the menu, select Account Center. Scroll down and tap on Password and Security. Now tap on Two-Factor Authentication. If it is not enabled, you need to turn it on first by choosing a method like WhatsApp or text message. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, choose Account. Here, you will see two options for backup codes. Select the option and tap on the next button. And Instagram will display a list of backup codes. You can save these codes in a safe place or take a screenshot. If you need new codes, tap Get New Codes and Instagram will generate a fresh set. The old ones will no longer be valid. That's how to find backup codes on Instagram.